Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today, we'll learn how to hide the payment method for minimum and maximum single item quantity using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select minimum or maximum single item quantity condition. For example, we'll add a maximum single item quantity condition. Next, in the single item quantity condition field, enter the quantity you want to set. We will enter 3. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide cash on delivery if the quantity of any product in the checkout is more than 3. Now let's test our rule. We already have added 2 products to the cart, and each product has a quantity of less than 3. And as you can see, cash on delivery is still visible on the checkout page. Now, let's increase the quantity of any product to more than 3 and see if cash on delivery gets hidden. As you can see, the cash on delivery payment method is gone. That's its simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!